Good morning. Today I want to discuss about Intellectual Property Act. And actually, what had happened in India and allied nations, particularly Asia, complete Asia, they rely everything on Dharma. Therefore, the oral uh, declaration, admission, assent was accepted, accepted and accordingly uh, kept intact. But in Europe, Europe, there are multi number of nations. Initially, those countries were controlled and human rights were suppressed by a classical system of law and order. The king also was about to bound the instruction of these ecclesiastical leaders. And thereafter, Martin Luther King started a Protestant religion that resulted a little bit independence. And whenever European countries invade other countries, they used to destroy the literatures and arts and other culture activities existing in that particular state. And therefore, there was no possibility of exchange of thoughts. But later on, the black age, when evaporated, medial age was commenced. Then this writing, the opinion, the deliberations were being spread to one country to other country. Uh, then only the copyright commences. So, due to industrial revolution, which started from United Kingdom, namely England, they have started heavily manufacturing textiles. So they want to have some copyright to sell these textiles to other particular countries. So the king used to give letter patent. That was the origin for grant of copyright. So the basic for Intellectual Property Act is copyright. Even without registering your copyright under Copyrights Act, before register of copyright, you have still a common law right to file suit against any infringement or passing off is there. So, under for intellectual property, we should know what is copyright, trademark, design, patent, geographical indication, and anten pillar search warrant, what is passing off, what is infringement, how to register the intellectual property. These all are the important aspects which will be gone into. So I have a case to discuss with you, decided by the Delhi High Court, so that if you go through the judgment, you could understand the way of registering the trademark and how the cases are being filed, if any infringement or any passing off is reported or brought to knowledge of the trademark rights holder. The AR 2020 Delhi 85, Ajanta Pharma Limited, Juventus Healthcare Limited. Actually, you must understand the plaintiff filed a suit seeking permanent injunction against, you kindly see this, defendants is director, assignees, distributors, dealers from manufacturing, selling, offering for sale, advertising, directly or indirectly, dealing in medical preparation under the impugned mark ANADA, ANADAY. The plaintiff was, trademark was AMADAY, AMADAY. The defendant practice of using the trademark was ANADA, ANADA, both pertaining to drug. So that was the case. What is assignment? Trademark, this copy Intellectual Property Act, assignment is most important, particularly in copyright. The assignment means allowing to enjoy your right for prescribed period is called assignment. Assignment of right, like lease. A lease for removable property, assignment is for movable property, and this intangible movable property. Then you should kindly understand actually what had happened. Uh, the there was the plaintiff registered his trademark from 2001. Then the defendant also applied for a trademark of Anade, and that was objected by the plaintiff, and subsequently he abandoned the claim. Thereafter again he filed an application that was under the process. Here the important aspect was several judgments were discussed, several cases were quoted at paragraph 4 and 5 of the judgment. You have to go through if you are really interested to understand or to be more equipment at home with Intellectual Property Act and procedures and decided cases. Actually, what had happened here in this given case, the cases were referred whether any latches are on the part of the plaintiff to approach for grant of injunction against the passing of or infringement trademark users. So they say they dealt section 56 of the Trademark Act, therein and also some other provisions of the how to use of trademark for export trade use and when form of trade connect changes. Section 28 and 25 of the Act also must be looked into. That facilitates, Section 28 and 29 facilitate the registered proprietor to pursue against them. In the given case, actually what had happened, the plaintiff have no sale in India, but he having a substantial export consignment consumers in foreign countries. But therefore, the Supreme Court finally has held, after discussing when these latches may be condoned, when latches may be ignored. For that, you have to go through the entirety of judgment. Finally, latches and inordinate delay, however, are not similar to acquiescence. This word acquiescence has been discussed at paragraph 20, latches and inordinate delay. Latches means deliberately not filing. Delay means due to some unavoidable reasons. Acquiescence means accepting, tolerating. So these all are. Finally, they say since the Anade was a product for cancer and Amade was for other use in foreign countries, they say there is no likelihood of any confusion caused to the chemist due to bad handwriting on the prescription. Therefore, they relied Supreme Court in Cadila Healthcare case 2001 SC 1952, and they have affirmed the dismissal of the suit on appeal. Appeal was dismissed. They say the plaintiff was only exporting drug Amade and not selling in the term. So they say Anade and Amade are deceptive. However, there is no material to show that defendant dishonestly adopted a mark. That is most important. So kindly go through this. And before conclusion, I would like to say that why the lot of advertisements are given in TV, paper, that only substantiate to claim well-known trademark. The Trademark Act define well-known trademark. If you have a well-known trademark, then nobody can use that trademark even for other goods. Suppose a pilot pen. If the pilot pen is widely published, but nowadays pilot pen have got no substantial advertisement up to date. But therefore you can start a pilot book, a pilot notebook. So this is the well-known trademark. But In other cases, you could not do. Therefore, go through is good morning, best.